G'day and welcome to the Attainments page. Use this page if you want to quickly see who's certified and what qualifications are about to expire. First up, this page automatically shows the most expired records right at the top, so you know exactly what needs attention first. You can easily filter your view to see what's current or what's expiring within 30 days, 90 days, or already expired. You can also focus on just people, equipment, and companies. Need to reorganize a list? Just click the little arrows in any of the columns. Want to update a specific certificate? Click on the eye icon. Or to see a person's full profile, simply click on the name. And that's it. You're all set to keep your team's attainments and ultimately compliance in check. Super easy.